In primetime news this evening, union leader calls for high-level meeting as protests rock the tourism sector.
A state told to find answers after traffic nightmare in Hanover hampers tourists.
And expert warns of more environmental issues if weeks of heavy rains continue. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, there's good news for people like Archie who want to get an electric bike. The import duty is being reduced. Stick around to hear by how much. Plus, a new airline will be coming to Jamaica. Those and much more in the business day.
The second headline also suits people like Archie. But what's happening in sports? Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in the big show.
Well, thanks, Archie. Speaking of airlines, well, the USA, they've flown into the island for their big match against the Reggae Boys tomorrow. They send the CONCACAF Nations League. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
And what is the weather going to be like when that match kicks off, Romain?
Thanks, Janella. There's a good chance that there should be some shower and thunderstorm activity in and around the general area. We do expect an increase, however, as we move into the weekend. We do have increased showers and thunderstorms right across the area Saturday and Sunday.
Can they play mud?
Yeah, they're going to be playing in mud by the sound of it. You'll hear more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what do you make of the protests by tourism workers?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. We're expecting lots of comments. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.